What's up, guys? It's Todd with Wright Street Renos, putting in some long hours today getting this thing done, and I thought I'd try and just hop on here and teach you guys a little something I've learned along the way from some amazing carpenters and friends, and just having a lot of help and asking a lot of questions. I would have never known how to do this otherwise, and man, I just thought there's somebody out there who could benefit from this, and so I thought I'd just share it. But we are actually about to put in this header, which will be the office, the downstairs office or fourth bedroom wall. And it's going to have a nice big opening right here. In order to span that opening, since this is a load-bearing wall holding up these joists, we're going to put in a header. Now, this isn't currently holding any weight because we have another wall back there, which we kind of used as our temp wall while we were framing up and replacing the joists. And was originally going to be an actual wall as well, but after getting it up and looking at it, my amazing wife came up with a much better floor plan, and so we're putting in another header right here, and it's a long one, and this is normally something you want to do with help. This is a two-person job for sure, but thanks to my buddy Seth, who helped me do a lot of this, he's taught me a few tricks, and this is one way you can do this yourself, I think. So we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so this is the header. You've got a 2x10, another 2x10, and a 1/2 inch piece of plywood sandwiched in between it. So it makes it super strong in order to carry a lot of the load and weight. It's glued with construction adhesive on both sides of the plywood, nailed together, and it's also screwed together. So way overkill, but it's super strong. You don't have to ever worry about it failing because of that. And so it's kind of heavy and it's long. So I've got this platform here, and I've got what is known as my trimmer studs already measured out to hold the weight of this, and then the king studs, which are on the outside, we'll set this in what we call the beam pocket to get it in place, get it to where it's safe and secure, and then of course we'll nail it and screw it and all that as well. But the key is getting it in position by yourself. So I'm going to actually grab mini sledge, a little mini sledge right here, and have it ready to go. Tap it into place, and hopefully if I did this right, it should sit in there nicely. We'll see how it goes. One thing I forgot to mention was the use of the blue quick clamps that you see there on either side of the beam. Those are really helpful because it just gives you a little extra surface area to rest that beam on as you're getting it in position. When you're doing this by yourself, this is super helpful because as you're putting a longer beam up at an angle, it interferes with getting it in that beam pocket, with it just being a 2x4 trimmer stud that it's resting on. Again, those quick clamps just make it a little easier. Just make sure they're on there nice and tight, clamped onto those trimmer studs. Also, you want to make sure that the handle is pointed away from you. I learned this the hard way. Had to redo it the first time there because it kept getting in my way. So just make sure that arm is pointed away from you so you don't have to lift the beam over it. This is a double 2x10 header with a piece of 1/2 inch plywood sandwiched in between, all one length, nailed, screwed, glued together, and we just set it on our trimmer studs, which are the studs that go underneath it, that hold it, and nail it and lock it all together, and that's going to carry the weight of both of our new 2x8 ceiling joists that are sandwiched onto the existing 2x8s that run all the way down, and allow us to open up this entire downstairs, and it's going to look awesome. So I wanted just to share that with you. You'll have an awesome night. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends so we can make more instructional videos. Thanks.